Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best permanent magnet generators. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Need reliable power but don't want a bulky generator? Many traditional generators are noisy, heavy, and require constant maintenance. Whether you're camping, running emergency lights, or powering tools, unstable electricity can be a serious problem. A compact, efficient, and low-maintenance generator can make all the difference. This is the OLONETO Small Permanent Magnet Generator, a brushless, belt-driven 220V generator designed for lighting, camping, and backup power. 5000 W rated output with up to 7000 W peak power. Permanent magnet brushless design for low maintenance. 220V output ideal for home lighting and small appliances. Pure copper wire construction for better efficiency and durability. Belt-driven system compatible with gasoline or diesel engines. Compact and lightweight, only about 6.5 kilograms. Suitable for camping, backup power, and off-grid setups. Stable power generation with voltage regulator support. Pros: compact and portable design. Brushless generator requires less maintenance. Works with both gasoline and diesel engines. Pure copper winding improves performance. Good for DIY generator setups. Cons: requires external engine to run. Not a plug-and-play generator. Limited for heavy appliances like AC or large motors. Belt setup may require manual adjustment. This generator is best for DIY generator builders, camping and outdoor users, emergency backup lighting, small home power setups, off-grid solar or hybrid systems. Not ideal for full home backup or heavy-duty appliances. At around $289.59, the OLONETO 5000 W generator offers solid value for DIY users who want a compact, brushless power solution without buying a full generator unit. Number 4. This is the OLONETO 3500W Permanent Magnet Generator, a compact, brushless, belt-driven 220V generator designed for home backup, camping, and small off-grid power setups. 3500W power output suitable for lighting and small appliances. 220V output for residential and backup use. Permanent magnet brushless design for low maintenance. Pure copper coil for improved efficiency and durability. Belt-driven system compatible with gasoline or diesel engines. Compact and lightweight design for easy installation. Stable power generation for home backup lighting. Works with internal combustion engines, gasoline or diesel. Ideal for DIY generator setups and off-grid use. Durable metal housing in green finish. Pros: brushless design reduces maintenance. Pure copper winding improves performance. Compact and portable generator head. Works with both diesel and gasoline engines. Good for emergency lighting backup. Cons: requires external engine to operate. Not suitable for heavy appliances. Belt drive setup needs proper alignment. No built-in fuel tank or frame. This generator is best for home emergency backup lighting. Small DIY generator projects. Camping and outdoor use. Off-grid cabins or rural homes. Users with existing gasoline or diesel engines. Not recommended for running AC, large pumps, or full house power. At $226.85, this 3500W OLONETO generator offers good value for users who need an affordable, brushless generator head for small backup power and DIY setups. Number 3. This is the EODSAD 1500W Permanent Magnet Synchronous Generator, a low RPM dual-phase alternator designed for DIY power generation, battery charging, and small off-grid systems. 1500W rated power output for small power applications. 14V AC/DC output suitable for battery charging systems. Permanent magnet synchronous generator design. Low RPM operation, works well with wind, water, or small engines. Dual-phase alternator for stable power generation. Built-in silicon rectifier for AC to DC conversion. Compact and lightweight, about 5.95 pounds. Ideal for DIY wind turbine or hydro generator setups. Durable metal housing for long-term use. Suitable for camping, residential backup, and off-grid charging. Pros. Works at low RPM speeds. Compact and lightweight design. Built-in rectifier simplifies setup. Good for battery charging applications. Affordable for DIY renewable energy projects. Cons. Only 14V output, not for direct 220V appliances. Requires external turbine or motor. Limited power for large devices. Wiring setup may need technical knowledge. This generator is best for DIY wind turbine projects. Small hydro generator setups. Battery charging systems, 12V/14V. Off-grid solar hybrid systems. Camping power storage solutions. Not suitable for directly running home appliances. At $42.99, this EODSAD 1500W generator offers excellent value for DIY users. It's a budget-friendly option for low RPM power generation, battery charging, and small renewable energy projects. Number 2. This is the EODSAD 1500W permanent magnet alternator generator, a low RPM single-phase AC/DC synchronous generator with built-in voltage stabilizer for DIY power and battery charging systems. 1500W rated output for small power generation setups. 14V AC/DC output suitable for battery charging applications. Permanent magnet alternator design for efficient power generation. Low RPM operation ideal for wind, water, or small engines. Single-phase synchronous generator design. Built-in voltage stabilizer for more consistent output. Integrated silicon rectifier for AC to DC conversion. Lightweight design, only 4.77 pounds. Compact size for DIY installations. Suitable for camping, off-grid, and residential backup charging. Pros. Low RPM power generation capability. Built-in voltage stabilizer improves output consistency. Compact and lightweight design. Good for battery charging systems. Affordable for DIY projects. Cons. 14V output only, not for direct appliance use. Requires external motor, turbine, or engine. Limited power for high-load devices. Wiring and setup may require technical knowledge. This generator is best for DIY wind turbine builders. Small hydro power projects. 12V/14V battery charging systems. Off-grid energy setups. Camping power storage solutions. Not ideal for running 220V home appliances directly. At $41.99, this 1500W EODSAD alternator is a very budget-friendly option. It offers good value for DIY users needing a lightweight, low RPM generator for battery charging and small renewable energy projects. Number 1. This is the OLONETO 7000W permanent magnet generator, a 220V brushless, belt-driven power generator designed for home backup, lighting, and commercial power applications. 7000W high power output for home and commercial use. 220V AC output suitable for appliances and tools. Permanent magnet brushless generator design. Pure copper wire winding for improved efficiency. Built-in voltage regulator for stable power output. Belt-driven system for use with external engines or motors. Low maintenance brushless operation. Compact and lightweight, about 5 kilograms. Automatic idle control for improved efficiency. Suitable for lighting, backup power, and off-grid systems. Durable construction for long-term use. Available in 3.5 kilowatts, 5 kilowatts, and 7 kilowatts variants. Pros. High 7000W power capability. Brushless design reduces maintenance. Pure copper coil improves durability. Built-in voltage regulator. Compact generator head for DIY setups. Cons. Requires external engine or motor. Not a complete plug-and-play generator. Belt drive setup needs proper alignment. Installation may require technical knowledge. This generator is best for home backup power systems, small business backup power, DIY generator builders, off-grid power setups, workshop and tool power applications. Not ideal for beginners who want a ready-to-use generator. At $359.76, the OLONETO 7000W generator offers strong value for users needing high power output. It's a good choice for DIY backup systems without buying a full generator unit. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more generator reviews.